Hey, really nice to see you here today. I've had the 3 Plus in my space for a while now, and if you recognize yourself as someone who refuses to accept background music when you deserve living room sound, you're going to know this one's for you. You're the kind of person who knows quality when you hear it. You've outgrown the compromise phase of tinny stereo sound and half-hearted wireless speakers. Before we go deeper, check the current price in stock, because setups like this don't linger. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old speaker started showing its limits. Maybe the vocals were muffled, the bass flat, or the streaming felt like a downgrade. The day you plug in the 3 Plus, relief hits. That era of settling ends. You'll feel it the moment it powers on. Picture this: late evening, you drop your favorite track and the room fills with clarity and presence. You watch a film and the soundstage actually feels wide instead of stuck in a box. You stream via Bluetooth, then switch to the vinyl in the corner, and the speaker handles both with grace. That's real life with this system. You don't just hear it, you feel the difference. The magic isn't just in the specs, it's in how it pushes you out of the "maybe I should have upgraded earlier" mindset. With dual full-range drivers and a 5.25 woofer, Klipsch tuned this to deliver rich mids, crisp highs, and bass you can feel. Reviews call it warm, full-bodied and built with premium materials. And once you've lived with that level of sound, going back feels like a compromise you don't deserve. Don't wait for the next sale or wonder if stock will disappear. If this fits your identity as someone who values sound that matters, act now. If you're doubting, do I really need this much speaker? Flip it, you're not buying excess. You're buying emotional connection to your media, power when you want it, and setup that aligns with your standards. The surprise benefit. The walnut veneer and analog style knobs make it not just audio gear, but a part of your living space you're proud to show off. You feel music manifest in the room. You feel clarity so clean your favorite songs rediscover spark. You feel confidence your gear matches your ambition. You feel pride owning something built for people who actually care about sound. On the flip side, it's not meant to be portable, it's built for a space, not a beach bag. And while superb, the app motor of the controls could be more responsive for power users. At some point you stop comparing every speaker and pick the one you already knew you wanted. This is that moment. If you're ready to step into serious sound and own it, go check the link, lock it in, and let your space reflect the upgrade.